Ma'am, we have to write in. Ma'am, we have to write in grammar copy.
Any English copy, whatever you have made, copy, right? A very good afternoon to class 5th. Today we are going to start, we are already doing lots of revisions for the final examination. Lots of revision has already been done, but still once again, a new topic that is not a new topic, it's an old topic, that is sentences. In sentences, especially we are going to take negative sentences and question tag, means how to make questions, interrogative kind of questions, right? The sentences which are asked as an interrogative means question पूछने वाले, that is known as interrogative. Fine. So now what you have to do is you have to note down these sentences in your copies, because this is going to help you out for your final examination. Whatever I am
Yes, ma'am.
today, that is the preparation for your final examination. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am giving the homework of sentences. Ma'am, you have given some few words. Ma'am, that is our homework now.
Yes, that was your homework. That is the
Ma'am,
past tense.
done that. Ma'am, great.
Now children, please pay attention, all of you. All of you, please be quiet. Listen to me very carefully. I will first explain how to do it. Then I will tell you to copy down. Then I will give you the correct answer. Today it is not a test. It is just a revision which we will do it in the class. Okay. And these all you have to learn it by heart. Fine? Clear? Shall we start then?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
afternoon.
sorry, I joined a bit late, ma'am. What did you say? Can you please
Just
repeat,
copy
ma'am?
down whatever I am saying. Then after that we will discuss.
Yes, ma'am.
Just copy down whatever I am saying. Then after that we will discuss.
Yes, ma'am.
See. Just copy down. Then I will explain you all. Actually, I am preparing you all for class 6th, you know. You all are growing up, na? You all are going to go to middle school and you all are going to become, you all are at the senior most class of primary section. Class 5th is the seniors most class. So you should know, you should have a good level of English. Now complete the sentence using the correct question tags. What are question tags? I will tell you. But in the beginning, you just copy down these sentences in your copy. Then I will teach you how to make question tags.
Ma'am, can I continue in fair copy?
Sure. You have to continue in fair copy. Start writing it fast. Copy down. Where is Avni today? Absent?
No, ma'am. I'm present.
Present. I'm not seeing you.
Yes, ma'am.
Copy down exactly in the same manner. जैसा है वैसे के वैसे पूरा कॉपी कीजिए एंड गिव द हेडिंग एज रिवीजन ऑफ फाइनल एग्जाम. हेडिंग डालिए कॉपी में रिवीजन ऑफ फाइनल एग्जाम. रिद्धि हेडिंग डालिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Put today's date also, huh? Please mention today's date. Today and tomorrow we will do revision of sentences.
Ma'am, you are mute.
Ma'am, you are muted yourself.
You don't take worry, beta. I mean, don't worry. I'll just continue.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, question number 10. Thank you. Bus.
मैम मैम क्वेश्चन देखना मैम, बस 1 मिनट.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Who is doing this?
So the second question.
Ma'am, Tithi is doing this.
Ma'am Tithi.
ma'am, question number 13.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 दिखाओ ना.
Wait.
Ma'am, please show the
Wait.
question number
Those who have missed, afterwards you can see. You continue now.
Starting का क्वेश्चन.
Afterwards you will see. Just continue now.
मैम इसमें कोई आंसर है कि सिर्फ मैम सिर्फ एक टैग लगाना है?
I will teach you how to make.
मैम आप प्लीज सेकंड क्वेश्चन दिखाओ ना.
First you will complete it. Beta,
Ma'am, please show.
if you have missed something, you just have patience. Continue writing now. Whichever you have missed, I will show it again. Don't get panic. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
दिखाओ ना.
Ma'am, question number 14.
What? You have completed till 25?
Question number 14.
You have completed till 25? 14 is in front of you.
Yes, ma'am.
In this blank, I will teach you what you have to write. In this blank, I will teach you what you have to write.
Particular. Okay.
Is it done, Titi, Mahi, Janya, Riddhi? All have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
All have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Now let's start with.
So the 25
All
number
of you,
question.
please be quiet and quietly listen to me. I will give time to write answers. Right? This is a short form of a question. Right? Likewise, we say that you are addicted to shopping. हम बोलते aren't you? How do we say it as? Aren't you? The color which red color question which you can see, that is known as question tag. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? What we call it as? We call it as
Question tag.
question tag.
Question tag.
Right? So, if I in question I will give you this one, the black color one which you can see. The red one you have to write it by you. They weren't part of the regular team. Where they is the question tag.
Okay, ma'am.
You can't give it back to the owner. Can you? This is the question. Titi, stop eating your nails. It is very interesting. Listen to me very carefully.
2 to 5.
Let's take a day off tomorrow. Shall we? So which is the question tag here? What is the question tag here?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Shall we? Good. She has her hairstyle every week. She? What is the question tag over here?
Doesn't she?
Good.
Doesn't she?
Mom
Doesn't she?
will be happy to see you. Mom,
Want she?
Want she?
won't she? Won't she? बोलो मेरे साथ. All of you say it together.
Want
she?
she?
Okay.
Want she?
ये सेंटेंस का ये एक क्वेश्चन टैग है ये.
हाँ. ठीक है, जैसे हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं ना, बड़ा बड़ा क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. Where do you live? Where are you going?
Yes.
These are the big questions. These are interrogative sentences, and this is the question tag. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
These 30 questions you have to learn for the examinations, and these 30 questions I will take class test tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, John keeps talking all the time. That's disgusting, isn't it?
Isn't
It.
it?
हाँ.
Isn't it?
मैम कौन से चैप्टर पर?
मैम उसमें मैम टैग लगाना है, वो क्वेश्चन का
Isn't it?
मतलब बताना है.
मैम कौन से चैप्टर का टेस्ट है कल?
This what I am teaching. जो मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ
मैम व्हाट चैप्टर?
सेंटेंसेस में है ये.
व्हाट इज चैप्टर? व्हाट चैप्टर? क्या चैप्टर? मैम व्हाट इज चैप्टर? व्हाट इज चैप्टर?
Who is asking this question?
मैम जॉश.
Just first of all, my statement is you are not
Ma'am, please.
right.
यस मैम.
Second point, whatever I am saying in the class, you have to pay attention. I said just now that this is a part of sentences. I am teaching you all how to make question tag. Learn it by heart. The same sentences will be in your class test. Am I clear now?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
जो मैं आज
Ma'am, please share the screen.
clear, Jash? Jash?
यस मैम.
If you have any doubt, just ping me. Beta,
मैम क्या आएगा?
let me teach in the class. They haven't ever bought a new car. इसका क्वेश्चन टैग क्या बनेगा?
Have they?
I am such a good swimmer.
Aren't I?
Aren't I?
Aren't I?
Aren't I?
He would not agree with you. He would not agree with you.
Would he?
Good. There's really nothing more to say.
Is there?
I should not criticize the teacher. I should not criticize the teacher. I should not criticize the teacher.
Should I?
Please pass me the sugar.
Will you?
Will you? Will you?
Not play
Will you?
officially cut the.
Must you? Must you?
Must you?
You don't want him to come with us.
Do you?
Do you?
Yes, excused. Who is that?
What is the meaning of 55?
What is the meaning of? What is the meaning of?
Criticize.
किसी को ताना मारना, किसी की बेइज्जती करना.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't want him to come with us. You don't want him to come with us.
Do you?
Yes.
Do you?
She hardly said anything.
Did she?
Did she?
You do have a tip.
Don't you?
Don't you?
Peter and Jenny want to be alone.
Don't they? Don't they?
They.
Okay. You weren't ill last week.
Were you?
Were you? Were you?
I need not come with you.
Do I?
I did not have a chance to thank.
Did I?
Did I?
You had the car repaired.
Did not you?
Didn't you? Didn't you?
Didn't you? Didn't you, ma'am?
She never met anyone else.
Did she?
Let's go to the cinema.
Shall
we?
Yes. They could make it to the train in time.
Couldn't they?
Good day.
Very good. Dad won't be with us next week.
Will he?
Will he?
If we had more money, we would travel a lot.
Wouldn't we?
Wouldn't we?
With your family on Sunday.
Didn't we?
Don't you?
Ma'am, don't know. Don't you?
It got late yesterday. It got very late yesterday.
Didn't it? Ma'am, didn't it? I am not
I
going.
have to tell you again.
Am I? Am I?
So these are the 30 questions. I hope so. You all have written it in your copy. All have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Who has not written? Who has not written?
मैम एक बार 30 वाला दिखाइए ना, क्वेश्चन लिखना है.
Is written 30.
थोड़ा सा ऊपर करोगे मतलब मैं उधर.
मैम 17 वाला क्वेश्चन दिखाओ ना.
Will you wait?
यस मैम. मैम कौन सा चैप्टर का है?
Beta, this question has been asked by Josh, I think so. Is it Josh? I always give exercises from outside. Grammar, I never give it from the inside the book. Have I ever given the book inside the book? Then how will you learn?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you learn grammar?
No.
It's always from outside. And one more important thing, like in maths, when multiplication is given to you, all the questions are from never. We can give numbers from outside, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If you know the pattern, if you know the exercise, how to solve it, any question.
Yes, ma'am.
बहुत दिन हो चला.
So for your exam, for question,
ये वाली हेल्पफुल में जब मैं क्लास 1 में थी.
you have to learn. Clear?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 दिखाऊं ना.
All have written? Question tag?
यस मैम.
Completed?
यस मैम.
Shall I move ahead?
यस मैम.
17th number question written?
यस मैम.
No, someone has not written.
ओके.
All have done? All have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, please show the 24th.
ma'am.
20?
24.
तो बच्चे लिख
Yes,
देंगे और तू बेवकूफ साली लिख नहीं सकी दो थे
Now let us revise it once again. All together, start revision.
Yes, ma'am.
I will read the question. You will tell me the answer. You
Okay,
are
ma'am.
shopping.
Aren't you?
Good. They weren't part of the.
Are you? Were they?
Are they?
You can't
Can you?
And were they?
complete the question first, then you will answer. You can't to the owner.
Can you?
Can you?
Children,
Can you?
Can you?
listen to me. आप question पूछेंगे. Shall we? सवाल पूछना है. Okay? You have to ask question. You can't give it back to the owner.
Shall we?
Shall we?
Can you? Can you?
Let's take a day off tomorrow.
Shall we?
Shall we? ऐसे पूछना है.
मैम कौन पूछ
Shall
रहा है ये मैम ये क्वेश्चन के बाद?
She has her hairstyle every week.
Doesn't she? Doesn't she?
Mom will be happy to see you.
Wanted she? Wouldn't she?
Won't she?
Won't
Not she?
John keeps talking all the time. That's disgusting.
Isn't it?
Isn't it?
They haven't a new car.
Have they?
Have they?
Okay.
Have they?
I am such a good swimmer.
Aren't I?
Yes.
Aren't I?
Very good. You. He would not agree with you.
Would he?
Would he?
Would he?
Would he?
There's
Would he?
really nothing more to say.
Is there?
Is there?
Is there?
Is there?
Is there?
I
Is there?
criticize the teacher. I
Should I?
Should I?
teacher.
Should I?
Should I?
Should I?
Should I?
Please pass me the sugar. Please.
Will you?
Will you? Will you?
Yes. You must not play on the freshly cut grass.
Must you?
Must you?
Must
Do you? मैम किसी का घर से बहुत आवाज आ रही है. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, if you are discussing with your parents, I request you all to please mute yourself and discuss. When I am teaching, when I am revising you all for the examination, is it the correct way?
No, ma'am.
You don't want him to come with us.
Okay, ma'am.
Do you?
Do you?
He said anything.
Did she?
Did she?
Did she?
Receipt. You do have a receipt.
Do you?
Don't you?
Peter and Jenny want to be alone.
Don't they?
You weren't ill last week.
Where
Were you?
I did not come.
Do I?
I did not have a chance to thank you.
Did I?
You had the car repaired.
Didn't you?
She never met anyone else.
Did she?
Did she?
Let's go to the cinema.
Did she?
Let's go.
Shall we?
Shall we?
Shall we?
Shall we?
They could make it to the train in time.
Couldn't they? Couldn't they?
Dad
Couldn't they?
us next week.
Will he? Will he?
If we had more money, we would.
Wouldn't we? Wouldn't we? Wouldn't we? Wouldn't we?
Okay, okay. You have with your family on Sundays.
Don't you? Don't you?
It got very late yesterday.
Didn't it? Didn't it?
I have to tell you again.
Am I?
This is what question tag is. This is a part of sentences, children. This is a very short form of how to make questions from sentences. Today I have taught you for your examination, you have to prepare from these 30 questions to question tag. Please put a heading as revision for final examination.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
There will be two types of sentences. One is the negative sentence, one another is the interrogative question type of sentences. In question type of interrogative sentences, these type of sentences will be asked. And
Yes, ma'am.
it's only and
मैम
yes.
मैम इसको लिख के कॉपी में फिर पीडीएफ बना के भेजना है.
No, you don't have to make PDF. You have to learn it by heart. Tomorrow I will take test of the same.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Of the same,
Yes, ma'am.
but there the answers will not be there. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye ma'am. Bye ma'am.
Bye,
Have a nice day ma'am. Have a nice day ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.